Hey, it's Tyler Wood from Coldwell Banker up here in Big Bear Lake, and today just wanted to chat about getting pre-approved or getting pre-qualified to buy a property if you're a buyer. So a lot of times buyers will get anxious and want to just come up and start looking at property without actually talking to a lender prior to looking at property. And sometimes it's not a problem. Many times it's not because the buyer knows they can afford it. They know their financial standing very well. But with the change in all the economic times right now, the change in lending standards that's happened over the last 6 months to a year, it is really important to actually speak with a lender or mortgage broker prior to looking at property. And there are several reasons I say that. One, just makes you more educated and more informed as to what's going to go on in the process of buying a property. And I think that's always good. When you're buying a second home, down payment, interest rates, they're all different than if you're buying a primary home. Generally speaking, interest rates are going to be a little bit higher. Amount down is going to be a little bit higher. So it's good to know that up front as a buyer before you start looking at properties and get really excited about certain ones. I think you need to talk to the lender first. The second reason is I think when you have a pre-qual letter, a pre-approval letter, it shows that you're motivated and it shows that you're serious. And I think the agents that you work with, are going to want to see that. It's always good when I see a buyer that already has that done prior to me meeting with them. But also the sellers. When you make offers on properties or make an offer on a property, when it has a pre-qual or pre-approval letter, it shows that the buyer's serious. It shows they've done their homework. It tells the seller that, look, even though the offer may be lower, I'm a qualified buyer and I can perform on the property. So for several reasons, I think it's important if you're looking to buy real estate in today's market, talk to a lender first, get pre-qualified, know your options, know how much you can afford, and it'll make it a lot easier, a lot smoother, and a lot more enjoyable process when you're buying a house. So that's my take on it. I'm Tyler Wood from Coldwell Banker up in Big Bear Lake. Let me know if I can help with any questions. Thanks.